We don't expect everybody to understand, but more often than not, once treatment is complete, that's when they see the value and they think, you know what, sorry I stood in your way, or now I get it. So naturally, when we are thinking about improving something about ourselves that might be aesthetic, it's not usually just the patient alone that's making that decision. Sometimes there'll be the family members, the partners, the children, the parents who might be involved in that decision. More often than not, it will be a self-motivating factor that overrides other people's opinion. The patients will want to improve something about themselves because it really affects them, their self-esteem, their confidence, how they feel in certain situations. You could be in a family situation, everything's really happy, and then someone gets a camera out and suddenly you feel unhappy and self-conscious and you withdraw because of how you feel about your smile and your appearance. We hear that all the time. And that is your feeling as that patient. One can't expect your partner, or your friends, or your parents, anyone to understand that to that extent, because they're not in you, they're not feeling that emotion. Most of the time, they'll be receiving responses, but you look fine, it's fine, there's nothing wrong with you, it's how you are. And that can really hold people back from actually making a step that's going to change their life for the better. And we see that all the time. So I think acknowledging that actually we don't expect everybody to understand, but more often than not, once treatment is complete and these people who love and support the patient in their life sees the change, the positive change that this has made, that's when they see the value and they think, you know what, sorry I stood in your way, or now I get it. I think at the moment, we've probably got around about 6 or 7, maybe more couples who are having their treatment either together or one and then the other came. And often that happens when they see how much it's impacted someone positively. And that's great to see, but I do appreciate that it's how one feels within themselves. That's the motivation. And we can't always expect everybody to understand that. Until it's done, then they get it.